Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical. Today we're going to take a look at a versatile magnifier of ours called the MagniView. It's lightweight, comfortable in the hand, and has some great optics. This 2-power acrylic handheld magnifier is portable and has a very simple design, but the lens inside is made using the same amazing optics as our other magnifiers, even the much more advanced models. Here at Carson, we're the #1 manufacturer of magnifiers in the US, so you know you're getting a great value. The clarity you get with this magnifier is incredible. The MagniView is great for relaxing while you read. It has an ergonomic handle, and the wideness of the lens allows you to read with ease. The MagniView also features a built-in 4.5 power spot lens for seeing extra fine details. This magnifier is great for keeping at your house, but it also has some industrial uses as well. If you need to inspect something, the MagniView really comes in handy. Also, the lens is surrounded by a protective rim to prevent it from getting scratched. So like I said, if you're looking for a great value, the DS-36 MagniView has high quality optics and a ton of great uses. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.